Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Okay, now today topic properties of triangle and the concept is of angles. Okay, first one, tan a by 2 is equal to 5 by 6, tan c by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Then ACB or in AP. ACB or in AP means 2C is equal to A plus B. Okay, second one, ABC or in AP means 2B is equal to A plus C. Third one, BAC or in AP means 2A is equal to B plus C. Okay, next fourth one, ABC or in GP means B square is equal to AC. Okay, now here given tan A by 2 is equal to 5 by 6, tan C by 2 is equal to 2 by 5. Okay, multiply tan A by 2 into tan C by 2. Okay, now tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 is equal to 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. Okay, now 5 cancel, 2 ones, 2 threes. Now according to half angles, formula tan A by 2, delta by S into S minus A. Okay, tan C by 2, delta by S into S minus C is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now delta square value S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A, S into S minus C is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now SS cancel, S minus A, also S minus C. Okay, S minus B by S. Okay, S minus B by S is equal to 1 by 3. S minus B by S is equal to 1 by 3. By cross multiplication, 3S minus 3B is equal to S. Okay, now 2S is equal to 3B. 2S means A plus B plus C. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 3B. Now A plus C is equal to 2B. Okay, now 2B is equal to A plus C means now A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, second one is the correct one. Next one, in triangle ABC, if B plus C is equal to 3A, then cot B by 2 into cot C by 2 is equal. Okay, now we are given condition B plus C is equal to 3A. Okay, both sides adding with small a. Now A plus B plus C is equal to 4A. Now we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. 2S is equal to 4A. Now S is equal to 2A. Okay, next given expression, cot B by 2 into cot C by 2. Okay, cot B by 2 value S into S minus B by delta. S into S minus C by delta. Okay, now delta square value S into S minus B into S into S minus C by, now S into S minus A, okay, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, SS cancel, S minus B, S minus C, S minus C cancel. Okay, now S by S minus A. Okay, now S value 2A, 2A by 2A minus A. Now 2A by A is equal to 2A by A is equal to 2. Therefore, second one is the correct one. In triangle ABC, if tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in HP, then ABC are in. Okay, now given tan A by 2, since tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2, okay, are in HP. Okay, now tan A by 2, according to half angles, delta by S into S minus A, delta by S into S minus A, tan B by 2, delta by S into S minus B, delta by S into S minus C, R in HP. Okay, now reciprocal means S into S minus A by delta, S into S minus B by delta. Now S into S minus C by delta, R in AP. Okay, now next delta cancel now. S minus A, S minus B. Multiply with delta by S means S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are in AP. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are in AP. Okay, next minus A, minus B, minus C are in AP. Minus A, minus B, minus C are in AP. Okay, next one A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, tan A by 2, tan B by 2, tan C by 2 are in HP. Then A, B, C are in AP. Third one is the correct one. Next one, if cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 equal to 1 is to 4 is to 15, then greatest angle is. Okay, note if cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to K is to L is to M, then A is to B is to C is equal to. Okay, now L plus M is to K plus M is to next K plus L. Okay, L plus M is to K plus M is to K plus L. Okay, now A is to B is to C. First find A is to B is to C. Okay, now A is to B is to C is equal to. Okay, 19 is to 16 is to 5. 19 is to 16 is to 5. Okay, now here small a value 19, small b value 16, small c value is 5. Okay, now here greatest side is 19. Greatest side is greatest angle. Therefore, cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Okay, now b square value 16 square plus 5 square minus 19 square by 2bc. Okay, now 2 into 16 into 5. Okay, now 16 square is equal to 256 plus 25 minus 361 by 160. Okay, minus 80 by 160. Okay, minus 1 by 2. Now minus 1 by 2 in cos 2 pi by 3, cos 2 pi by 3 value, cos 120 value minus 1 by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, A is equal to 2 pi by 3. Therefore, greatest angle is 2 pi by 3. Therefore, fourth one is the correct one. Okay, next one. In triangle ABC, tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 equal to 2 by 3. Then A plus C is equal to. Okay, now using magic triangle. Now equilateral triangle data small a, small b, small c is equal to 1 and ABC is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now tan 60 by 2, tan 30 into given expression value tan 30 into tan 30, 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, now 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, now here A plus C, small a value 1, small c value 1. Now A plus C is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now by verification by AVM, answer verification method. Now second one is the correct, 2B. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, second one is the correct one.